Hello, welcome to this week's FX update. As usual, dollar index first. It's a familiar pattern in this very slow rally in that it just keeps on trying to make new highs and then fails. There was a negative midweek, but price never got close to breaking down, and it's just following this familiar pattern. So we have 197 above, and then really the big level below is 98.57, but pretty quiet. Onto the euro. Not surprisingly, we got the inverse signal as usual, but again very quiet, stuck in a very tight range all week, kept on popping up and rejecting any move higher. So we have 109.92 above, a very big level at 106.35. If we don't hit there by the end of this month, that monthly level is going to come up there, so we're going to be condensing to a certain extent. The big move really on the week was the pound. Was in trouble early on, broke down on Wednesday, took out that daily level, and then accelerated lower on Friday. There's no support until 114.09. The breakdown point is 122.66, so that's the key resistance. So the pound in a fair amount of trouble. The yen. Also pretty quiet after a move on Monday. That diamond signaled that the downtrend was over, but it's very quiet. It's just going either side of that monthly level, which is going to drop to the lows at the end of the month in all likelihood, down at 101.18. Aussie dollar. Pretty quiet week as well. We had the negatives the week before, and we've really just gone sideways. What we do have is some short-term support at 63.78, and if we make a daily close below there, that does open up the downside. It's still, if we do get a rally, the high interest area is 66.85 to 67.00. Onto the Kiwi. Had a negative on Wednesday, which broke that daily support. Pretty quiet Thursday, and then we've broken down at the end of the week. There was some stories out of the Central Bank of New Zealand this week, which is what made it go weaker. No support until 54.69, so plenty of room for that to fall as well. Dollar CAD. Not much to report here, pretty much sideways, trapped in a range. So we have 141.74 above, 138.99 below, so we await a breakout from that range. As all the action is in the pound, it's worth looking at some of the cross rates. First one is the euro pound, and Friday has seen us break up. So the breakout point is 88.64, which is your reference on any pullback. We'll have a quick look at some of the others while we're here. So we have the pound Aussie, again broken down, has gone below that final daily support, so that's in trouble. Pound Kiwi. Not much to report on pound Kiwi, although there has been a positive signal. Do the pound yen. Pretty quiet. There is a big monthly level there at 128.81 and then 123.70, so doesn't look like the best one really. Finally, pound CAD. It's also broken down, so there's three that have broken pretty clearly, and they're the ones to be the most interested in. Okay, thanks very much.